Every tube begins far from the bathroom shelf. Raw mineral sources begin their journey to refinement. Massive transport networks feed modern production lines.
Control, lead truck clear. Proceed to silo 2.
Precision manufacturing starts with controlled intake. Every raw ingredient is measured before transformation. Industrial force reduces raw material into process-ready form. Purity begins long before the paste is ever mixed. Moisture is stripped away for controlled refinement. The transformation into toothpaste begins inside the factory walls. Now the raw minerals are ready for purification. Inside these walls, chemistry and automation work together. Clean production begins with controlled human movement. Every ingredient is logged before entering production. Automation handles materials with exact consistency. Uniform texture is critical for smooth toothpaste production. Even invisible contamination is removed before mixing. Liquid foundations prepare the base of the final paste. Flavor engineering shapes the familiar taste consumers expect. Thousands of ingredients merge through synchronized systems. Now the raw materials become the foundation of toothpaste. Controlled pressure creates the smooth foundation of toothpaste. Precision dosing keeps every batch chemically balanced. Texture is engineered at the microscopic level. Removing air ensures a flawless final texture. Temperature control protects consistency during processing. The signature freshness is added with scientific accuracy. Distinctive stripes are created in parallel production streams. Continuous refination perfects the final consistency. Massive storage systems feed non-stop production lines. The paste is now ready for its final transformation. Automation prepares every container with perfect timing. Computer vision maintains precision at industrial speed. Thousands of tubes are filled every minute. Distinctive patterns are engineered with microscopic accuracy. Every seal protects freshness from factory to consumer. Traceability is built into every single package. Accuracy is checked continuously without slowing production. Packaging systems operate with mechanical precision. Finished products move through synchronized automation networks. Behind the machines, data controls every stage of production. Microscopic defects are detected in fractions of a second. Precision alignment prepares products for retail packaging. Protective packaging secures products for global transport. Controlled cooling preserves packaging integrity. Automation organizes thousands of products with perfect repetition. Every shipment is sealed for stability and tracking. Finished products remain under monitoring even after packaging. Quality checks continue long after production ends. Scientific verification protects consistency in every tube. Every texture is examined at the microscopic level. Chemical balance ensures safety and performance. Consistency must remain stable under every condition. Products are tested against harsh real-world environments. Even the smallest seal failure is unacceptable. Performance is measured through repeated real-use simulation. Only approved batches continue to global distribution.
Confirmed. Warehouse dispatch is signaled.
Certification marks the final step before shipment. Certification marks the final step before shipment.
The final stage begins at the shipping floor.
Automation continues all the way to dispatch. Millions of tubes are prepared for worldwide delivery. Every shipment is tracked before it leaves the facility.
Manifest verified, truck TRK 7890 ready.
Industrial scale keeps global supply chains moving. From factory floor to store shelves, the journey continues. Precision manufacturing reaches consumers through vast logistics networks.
Scanning this batch now.
Moving to shelf B. What began as raw minerals is now a finished everyday product. And this is how modern factories produce toothpaste from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.